Workhorse was down 39% in the month of October, mainly to the fact that the USPS contract was delayed yet again. Workhorse recently just released their Q3 earnings and didn't really bring that wow factor for many investors. But for some, it showed the light at the end of the tunnel. So in this video, I'm going to be updating you guys on the USPS contract, briefly talk about their Q3 earnings, some big news for Workhorse, and what the future holds for this company. So stick around to the end of the video. I got a lot of great information for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. I'm a dividend and value investor that just loves researching stocks, especially stocks that are high risk, high reward, that could 10x my money. Stocks like Workhorse. I research stocks in my spare time and I love stocks so much I did a stock portfolio for my 3-year-old daughter. And if this is the type of content you like and do enjoy and want to be part of the community, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. When it comes to Workhorse, Workhorse is an electric vehicle company that is dedicated in the last mile delivery system. Many people, many investors are heavily invested into this company thinking it will 10x their money. So this Q3 earnings was really big news for a lot of investors because it was going to update them on how well the company was performing. Now I'm going to just say, guys, this Q3 earnings wasn't too special, it wasn't too miraculous for some investors. Workhorse owns 10% of Lordstown Motors, and Lordstown just completed their merger with Diamond Peak Holdings, and they are trading publicly on the stock market under ticker symbol RIDE. Workhorse's 10% in the company is worth over $285 million as of now. Workhorse has set a new goal of 1,800 vehicles to be made and delivered by the end of next year, and for many investors that's pretty great news. But for some, it's not too much of a good news because they have lowered their own expectations and their goals of their previous number. But still, 1,800 vehicles is a pretty good number to hit, even with 1,700 vehicles as a backlog order. Workhorse had a goal of 300 or 400 vehicles to be made and delivered in Q4 only. But that number doesn't seem to be realistic and it may not happen as of now. In the month of October, Workhorse only delivered 7 vehicles. 7 vehicles only in 1 month, and for many investors, that's not a great number. That's not a good number at all. The CEO has stated that the battery supplier has had some issues because of the pandemic, and 36% of Workhorse's employees have been affected or are in quarantine because of COVID-19. This is not great news for this company because their production has been slowed down quite a bit. They also reported a net loss of $84.1 million in Q3 alone. They also had a revenue of $565,000. I guess that's good compared to the revenue in Q3 of last year of only $4,000. So the Q3 earnings wasn't really breathtaking for many investors, and it was a lot of bad news, but it also came with some good news along with it. Out of the 7 trucks that were delivered in the month of October, 5 of those trucks were delivered to a company called Pritchard. Pritchard loved those 5 trucks so much, they wanted to make an extra order of 500 C1000 Workhorse trucks, and that delivery is going to be made by the end of next year. That is great news for the company and great news for investors. Why? Because this just shows Workhorse is not just this USPS contract. There's some companies that's starting to believe and starting to trust Workhorse as a company and as a manufacturer for the delivery trucks. And this 500, order from Pritchard is really big news for a lot of investors and for Workhorse. The CEO has stated that this is the first step in many big orders. So Pritchard did this 500 truck order, and the only thing that's not making a lot of investors happy is that they didn't order more. But beggars can't be choosers. Now, to update you guys on the USPS contract, the contract announcement keeps on getting delayed and pushed back. That's one of the big reasons why Workhorse was down 39% in the month of October. But Workhorse is still one of the 3 finalists left that the USPS still has to choose for the $6 billion contract. There's a lot of rumors going around that Workhorse is the best fit and has the highest chance to win this contract. Maybe not fully, but partially. Even if Workhorse doesn't get the full contract, as long as they get some of it, it could really be a real big game changer for a lot of investors and, most importantly, for this company. But with the Q3 earnings that Workhorse just posted, I'm not saying it's gonna hurt their chances, but it's not gonna help their chances. It might raise some red flags for USPS, because at the end of the day, guys, USPS wants to give this $6 billion contract to a company that's not gonna give them excuses, that's gonna fulfill their orders and deliveries on time. They don't care what type of issues you're having with your battery supplier. You know what I mean? If they're gonna give you this contract, they would like for you to deliver, okay? So again, this may not hurt Workhorse's chances of losing or winning this contract, but it doesn't really help them out too much. The United States Postal Service keeps on stating that they will announce the winner of this contract before the end of the year. And with less than 2 months left in 2020, I'm sure investors will get the answers that they've been waiting so long to hear. Overall, everyone, Workhorse is a company that's going to have a lot of volatility short term. It's going to have its ups and downs. And this company is not profitable as of yet. But if this company could get this contract partially or fully, it could turn a lot of things around for this company. But as of now, for investors, if you are willing to take the punches through the goods and the bads, this company could be really profitable for you long term. Also, guys, as a side note, the emergence of e-commerce, believe it or not, does help Workhorse. With e-commerce going up and up, there are more deliveries, meaning there is more demand for delivery trucks. Hence, that's why Pritchard made the contract of 500 C1000 trucks from Workhorse. That means UPS and FedEx are gonna have more vehicles needed. UPS and FedEx are two biggest clients for Workhorse, okay? And when it comes to the USPS contract, I still do believe Workhorse is the best fit to get this contract. Again, partially nor fully, as long as they get something out of that contract and that deal, it could be really beneficial for this company, okay? And the 39% that it was down in shareholder value in October, I took it as an opportunity, guys. Opportunity to strengthen my position and buy more shares of this company. You can't get a discount for a company so ready to blow up so late after it's gone up over 200% in the year. Okay, guys, I believe in the company long term. If as long as you can hold this company long term, you could be okay. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video and got some great value and some great information throughout this whole video. And I gave you guys some key points that maybe you didn't know, and I kind of updated you on the current events pertaining to this company. Okay, guys, if you guys are interested into investing, I'm gonna put my Robinhood link down below. If you're making a Robinhood account with my link, you get a free stock and I'll get a free stock, and we'll both be benefiting, help each other out, you know. I hope you guys did enjoy. Again, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash the like button. All right, guys, be kind to one another, please be safe out there, and I'll see you next time.